Why do crocodiles shed tears? Is it instant core illusion? Let's find out together. In the still waters of the swamp, a shadow waits, silent, cold, ancient. It floats just beneath the surface, watching, always watching, and then it strikes, fast, precise, without warning. A violent act, performed with perfect calm. But as its jaws close, something unexpected appears. A tear. A drop slides from the corner of its eye. Not once, not rarely, often, especially while it eats. Why? Crocodiles do cry. But not because they feel regret. Not because they feel pity. In truth, they don't feel much at all. As they chew, the motion of their massive jaws puts pressure on a small part of their head, just behind the eyes. This pressure forces fluid out, a tear, pushed from within. Not from sadness, not from suffering, from muscle, from movement, from instinct. It's called the crocodile tear reflex, a natural response built into their biology. No message is being sent. No apology is being made. There is no meaning. It just is. And yet, for thousands of years, humans gave it meaning. We called them crocodile tears, a symbol of false sorrow, pretending to care. But the crocodile never pretended. Its tears were never lies. We gave them a story they never asked for. What we called deception was only biology. Not all tears tell a tale. Some come from nerves, some from pressure, some from nothing at all. The crocodile cries, but it never means to.